Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change subscript font size in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now I will change the subscript font size. Simply select your subscript, dragging your mouse, and here you will find this font size option. You can increase, also you can decrease, also you can set custom font size. Type here, this is 80 and press enter and see this. Also I will change this subscript, increase, decrease. Also you can choose here. Also you can type here font size as 60 and enter and see this. Also you can change this subscript color. You can make this subscript underline. Also you can highlight the subscript. In this way you can change all of the subscript font size. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.